Laurie at Sew Right again, and I have even more fabric to show you. The topic today is novelty fabric. In addition to all the other collections we receive, we get some fun or funky or different looking types of fabrics, and they're themed usually around children, but not necessarily. So sometimes we get school related fabrics. So we've got children and pens and crayons and cute little children in spaceships surrounded by planets. We have a more traditional school fabric, which would be great for an iPad, tablet, book cover bag, etc., with books and musical symbols and scientific symbols. And these are made by Crayola. Also, we have the traditional Crayola fabric done in a deeper jewel tone coloration versus the primary, which we also have. We've got a lot of bright color. We also have a new line of blender fabric called Vertex, which is great because it's got kind of like a crosshatchy shaded type of thing, which would go great with some of the sports fabric we have. World Cup soccer is the rage, so we've got a lot of soccer related fabric here. Some balls as well. I could make commentary about this. These are all male players. We got to put some females in here. And then we've got all the soccer equipment and accessories. Again, this funky Vertex fabric, a grunge fabric, any of that would go well with some of these cool prints. Okay, so we've got school, we've got sports. What about animals? So we've got this cute Riley Blake collection that came in with cartoony, sweet, I would say mid-volume prints of kitty cats. And what kitty cat doesn't like a box? Again, it will match well with the Vertex fabric. We've got a whole line of these new colors that came in. Okay, a lot of children own little rodents in the house, like hamsters. And this is cute because this is a hamster in its fun hamster wheel. I think my older daughter would even like this. And finally, cute little pups. And what dog doesn't like a tree or fire hydrant? All right. Okay, so I've shown you a bunch of novelty fabrics. Great, how do I put them all together? We have these 3-yard quilt books, a whole slew of different ones. And although some of them sometimes say patriotic or something like that, I don't look at the coloration as much as I look at the patterns. So we've got a wide variety of patterns that you can choose from just using 3-yard quilts. These are great because you're taking a lot of the guesswork out of the designing. Since you're just using 3 yards of fabric, it'll take about a day to make a quilt top on any of these. So if you're looking for a quick gift, this is great. I also have a number of patterns that are quite friendly for novelty fabrics in that you can have an accent fabric here, and that could be a couple of different types of prints that would go along well with the background fabric of a blender. Again, I'm just showing you the Vertex today, but we have other blenders in stock as well. I also have these Vertex fat quarter bundles in a variety of different colors that will marry well with any of these novelty prints. So that way you have a large selection of color to accent any of the quilting pattern books or designs that we have here in stock. I'm available and staff are available to help you with color selection when you begin your novelty quilt project. Don't be afraid of novelty prints, they're fun. They add a lot of animation to a quilt and we're here to help you with it, okay? All right, thank you very much. Give me a call, give the store a call. If you have any questions regarding any of these fabric choices, we have them here now in stock. If you need help with any of these patterns, we're also here to give you assistance. Thank you very much.